Hi, welcome to the App Codes channel on YouTube. Today we're going to continue taking a look at customizing a UITableView cell. We're going to start with this simple little app that we put together for editing a table view, and you can get the code for it at www.theappcodeblog.com/code/edit-table-tutorial2.zip. And when you get that and open it up, you will see an app like this that I'm going to go ahead and run. And what we have is just a very simple table that lists some color names like that. Okay, and what we're going to do today is we're going to add a picture to the table view cell. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at that. Now the first thing we have to do is create a custom image. This is going to be a UITableView, and we're going to name it custom image, like that. And then we need to set its properties. And to tell you the truth, we can just combine all this into one statement, like that. Go ahead and go to the implementation file and synthesize that, like so. Okay, so all we did is create a IVAR of a UITableView and named it custom image, and then we came over here and synthesized it, and now all of our work to customize the table view cell is going to be done here in the cell for row at index path method. So we're going to comment out that little bit right now, and the first thing we're going to do is add our image. So to do that, first we create a CG rect, and we're just going to name it image frame, and it'll just be CG rect, CG rect make, and then it's 5, 5, 45, 45. Now what this is it's going to create it 5 pixels from the top and 5 pixels from the left, with a height of 45 and a width of 45. I may have got those two backwards, but you get the idea. So it creates a CG rect frame that's going to hold our image, and now we're going to go ahead and alloc and init our image using that frame. So this is UITableView again, alloc, and it's going to be init the frame, and then we're going to use our image frame, and then we'll just go ahead and auto release it. Okay, so we've created our custom image, and now we need to add the actual picture to it. Now I have a picture here on my desktop that I'll go ahead and open it, and you can see what it is. It's just a very simple little color wheel here, and I've gone ahead and saved that to my desktop, and now I'm just going to drag it into our project. Make sure we copy it there, and then we're going to add that picture to our image view. So that is done with self, custom image, image equals UITimage, image named, and then we'll type in the name of that, which was color wheel.png, like so. Close that up, and then finally we will need to add all of that to our cell, which is done by going cell, getting the content view, and then adding a subview, which would be our custom image, like so. Okay, now the reason that well, I'm only using one image. So one image is going to get displayed in each cell. It's going to be the same one. We could have done the same thing if we wanted to populate an array of images and then get the image from the array and stick it in there. Okay, I had a slight interruption there as my son came running in. So if it sounds like I lost my train of thought there, that's what happened. But I'm back now. So anyway, we just using the one picture, and if you wanted to create an image of pictures, you could do that and then add them here. All right, now let's go ahead and run it. And right now there should be just a picture and no text because we commented out the text that we were setting in the label. And you see we have our picture, but it's bleeding over. So we need to change the height of our table view cells. And as we learned in the last tutorial, you can do that with this method. I'm going to paste in here height for row at index path. I'm going to set it to 55. That's going to change the height of our table view cell. Let's go ahead and run again and see if it looks better. All right, there we go. So we have our picture centered on the left-hand side of our table cell. Now let's add the label back in. Now we can't just use this label because it's going to go on top of our picture, as you'll see here. See, blocking most of our picture. So we don't want that. So what we have to do is create our own custom label. And we do that by, again, creating a CGRect. Oh, we don't want to make it yet. CGRect, and we're going to name it label frame. CGRect. Now we'll make it, and we'll just throw in some values here. Okay, and then we're going to create a UI label that we will name custom label. And let's go ahead and alloc and init that. UI, whoops, that's not what I meant. UI label, alloc, init with frame, label frame, and we'll go ahead and auto-release that one as well. And then we can do, whoops, I want that to be our custom label. And we're going to set a font for that equal to UI font. Bold system font size, we'll say 15. And then we can actually set the text to it. Custom label dot text equals data array object at index path dot row. Okay, and then finally we need to add that to our cell also. So it's cell, get our content view again, add another subview, custom label. Okay. Did I do something with path there? Like that? Okay, now if everything goes correctly and I didn't forget anything here, we should see our text come back, and it should be to the right of our picture. Let's see. Yep, there we go. So now we've added our picture, we added the custom label, and we moved it over so it wouldn't cover the picture, and there you go. Isn't that exciting? And of course you could go and add all kinds of other things. In fact, let's do that real quick. Let's just add another label very quickly. We'll just name it 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and we'll just keep it. It'll have the same text, but let's put it in a different spot. So let's do it, say, we'll do it underneath it. What if we did it that one at 35 and this one at 10. Now let's run it and see. Still have it running there. And of course, when the time machine is kicking in. Okay, there we go, and we added a second one to it. Of course, it's not very exciting because it says the same thing, but you're getting the idea of what you can do. You can add labels all over the place of the cell if you want. Let's do one more, just for the heck of it, and let's put it, like this one, 3 all over the place. And this one, let's throw way over to the right side. And let's make it say something different, like hello custom label. Oh, again, I forgot to stop it. There you go. All right, I pushed it a little too far to the right. Let's bring it back a little bit. Run it again. I'll stop it this time. Oh, still too far to the right. You're getting the idea. I'm just going to do it one more time here, just to end it on a good note. But as you can see, you can create multiple custom labels and then place them wherever you want in this UITableView cell. And that's how you go about customizing a UITableView cell, just like that. Of course, there's other things you can do. You can change the background, and so on. And we'll look at some more of those things the next time. But for now, that's it. As always, please come visit me at theappcodeblog.com. And until next time, have a great day.